Greetings, folks. We're back live again here at Hopkinsville, Kentucky this time. We got our same grain train coming north here. Did find out the symbol is G419. Doing fine, folks. That's what our train looks like going away. Hope y'all enjoying the day wherever you're at. If you happen to be out trackside. Well, coming up on the end of our train here. This is one of the crossings that was closed down during the straight line winds that came through here not too terribly long ago. Appreciate everybody joining me here today on this live video from Hopkinsville, Kentucky on the Henderson Subdivision. If you happen to be out trackside today, as always, stay safe and have a blessed day, everyone. And here's one last shot of the depot for you. We're going to move on to a different spot now, and hopefully I'll do another live video down the road here. I've got a few more trains coming. I know there's a mixed freight going south behind this one, and then intermodal I-025 is around Nortonville. But anyway, appreciate everybody joining me on this cold, wintry day, and we'll see you on the flip side, and have a blessed day.